What's up guys, it's Nitya and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be sharing with you all these cute bookmarks. So let's quickly make this. I've kept this plastic file under this. You can also do this if you're using a normal white paper like me. You can cut it in whatever size you want. And also I'll be using my water brush pen for this. I bought this from Amazon and I will link it in the description box if you want to use it. First I'm adding a little bit of water at the top and then I'm adding my blue color. For this first bookmark I'll be using blue and pink. You can use acrylic colors or watercolors. Now it's completely dry and I have done this drawing of a cat using pencil. Now I will do this with my black gel pen. For the second bookmark, I am taking yellow and orange color. You have to blend it well. Now it's completely dry, and for this one I'm doing a line drawing of a flower. And for the last bookmark I'll be using green color. For this one, I'll be drawing a shape of a plant. And on the top, I'm writing a quote, "Shush, I'm reading." This is not exactly a quote. And this is the final look. That is it for this video. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.